Hey, this is Brian with CLS Technology. So today we're working with a unique situation. RFAL in the state of Texas allows us to work with the 120 volt circuit that comes all the way back to the breaker panel. So we have a 5495 power supply today that's intermittently losing power. And I traced it back, it was unmarked. And here it is in the breaker panel. This is a live breaker. You see the arc flash going on there? The electrician never tightened the breaker down. You can see over here, our other ones do not give us the arc flash. All these breakers are tight. So what we're going to do today, proper way to fix this, is tighten down this breaker terminal. We're going to go over here and we're going to turn this main off right here. We've already notified everybody in the building to save all their valuable information on their computers. We're going to turn this off that's fed from this transformer. This will kill all the legs in this breaker panel. It will allow me to tighten down that terminal and resolve the problem for the ghost power supply losing power. So here we go. We're going to start with turning off our power. We're now on battery. Now the important thing we're going to do here before I even touch anything in there is I'm going to use my meter and make sure that the legs are off. No voltage, no voltage, no voltage, breaker 57, no voltage. So this panel is now safe to work in. Two full turns on that breaker. All right, now we're going to stand back out of the way so we don't have any arc flash. Stand back a little bit for me, Dave. And here we go. Power's back on. Now we're going to rock our breaker 57. And you see we rock it. The arc flash is now gone. The breaker is tight and secured. We will no longer get any loss of AC power down to the power supplies directly below us. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you would do this. Have a good day.